Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to streamline your shipping? In this video, we will show you how to integrate the delivery API with your WooCommerce store, making shipping a breeze in 2024. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, in this video guys, we will be guided by this article made by the Delivery One that explains exactly how we can synchronize your WooCommerce orders with Delivery One. So, Delivery One integrates with WooCommerce, enabling you to manage your daily sale order processing from Delivery One at ease. In this article, you will learn to connect to WooCommerce, Delivery One capabilities WooCommerce integration, and basically deactivate WooCommerce channel. So, first of all, connecting WooCommerce. To connect your WooCommerce website to Delivery One, you should navigate to Main Menu, Services, Channel Integration, Configure, and Add Channel. Under Select Channel, choose WooCommerce. Then enter your WooCommerce store URL. So it starts with something like HTTPS and your domain name, and then a new page will open on a new tab. You can enter WooCommerce username/email address and password and click on Login. If you are already logged into WooCommerce, click Approve on this page. On successful connection, you will see a message on Delivery One. Awesome, you are now connected. Then click Next on Continue to synchronize orders, and then your orders will be synchronized. This is some data flow and how it works. So this is data flow: fetch orders, detects order being completed, mark orders as completed, detects a cancellation, cancel order, detects a return and refund, and push return information for delivered orders. All of these are basically have here the resources. For example, here WooCommerce from WooCommerce, and it's going to be going to Delivery One. If an order is completed, of course, since we are using Delivery One, then it's going to be the source from Delivery One into WooCommerce. If it was cancelled, then from WooCommerce to Delivery One, cancel order, then the if from Delivery One to WooCommerce, detects a return and refund from WooCommerce to Delivery One. And here, as you can see, if WooCommerce integration capability, it is not, but for the others, yes. So in case you would like to deactivate it, WooCommerce channel, then to deactivate WooCommerce channel on the Delivery One, navigate Main Menu, Services, Configure Channel. On the channel system page, click Configure. On the channel you want to deactivate, then click on Disconnect. So this is very simple and very easy when it comes to doing that. But in case you really wanted to go throughout the API process, then I highly recommend that you go with Zapier.com. But unfortunately, if you search in Zapier here, let me just search for it. As you can see, oh, this is not the place. Let me just go to apps. Here we go. Click on here, search, and as you can see, let me just wait. We need to wait for the Delivery One. As you can see, Delivery One is not really showing. So to get it, you will need to obviously get to the premium version and then contact the support and ask them to add it to Zapier, because Zapier allows you to use the APIs very easily. So let me just choose a random thing, for example, your Facebook pages, and as you can see, choose events. Some events you will have in them the APIs. I don't know, like for example, let's try something else. Maybe HubSpot. Let's choose API. Yeah, not all of them, but some of these events will have the API. So in case, since Delivery One is not really added, and it wouldn't have already some events created by default, because these events are basically created for the most common used events in the website. So in case you really would like to have something going on, I would really highly recommend to use the Zapier for Delivery One and WooCommerce connection. It will help you a lot. Unfortunately, as I said, it's not really added into Zapier, so you will need to actually go for it. On the other hand, there is like Make It. There is a website that's called Make It, which can make automations also, which also will 100% you will have like the API in it, but I'm not sure yet if it has the ability to add a custom app like Zapier has. For example, Zapier you could add like the delivery one whenever you want just by asking the support and having a premium account, but the Make It I don't really think so. And here it is like an API delivery API integration. So I'm new to WooCommerce and I'm trying to figure out how can I integrate my online store with delivery company's API. It's more or less clear how to create and set outcome of get requests from WooCommerce, but it's not clear how can I reflect the data requested from third-party API. EGI, I need to show delivery costs on the order stage, which is automatically provided by the delivery API. How can I place this data on an order page? So here, move to fixing WordPress. This is not developing with WordPress topic. Please ask plugin specific questions in that plugin dedicated subform instead. So yeah, unfortunately, like there is no answers about the API integrations. As you can see, the subject delivery is closed to new replies. So the delivery itself, the plugin itself, is not really, it doesn't really even exist in here. So it's pretty hard to get the API of it and integrate them together in another way that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So yeah, I mean, the only option that you have is to ask the company itself to make a plugin in WordPress and make it compatible with WooCommerce, or simply just go ahead and do it the manual way, which I have shown you in the beginning of this video, which is by going to delivery one and going to the sites and going to WooCommerce and connecting the website with delivery one, and after that you will have everything maintained just like you want it to be. So I don't know what situation you guys are in, but unfortunately this is the only thing that you could do. So in case you had any problems or anything that you must fulfill, then you could request a ticket from the support on either WordPress or Delivery One or even WooCommerce to make it more specific. So go to WooCommerce team and contact them and ask them that I'm using Delivery One, I want that done, etc. And yeah, probably they will answer you with the same answer, but ask them if there is any solution that will be coming anywhere soon, so you could get your APIs keys ready and make sure to connect your WooCommerce with Delivery One as easy as possible without having any problem at all. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section. And yeah, that was it for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial.